Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes as the 4th of July is almost here. So let's take you through the rest of the day for Wednesday and then take you forward on what to expect. First off, on the satellite, remember back over the last couple of days, we've been saying how we're just kind of on the edge of this northwest flow in the jet stream. And uh, you can see the outcome of that is when you're near the edge, you're also near the boundary line of clouds and the chance that there could be some thunderstorms. And in fact, the southern edge of that boundary probably runs right across southern New Jersey down into southern Pennsylvania, where we're seeing a good deal of sunshine. And then we've got this little band of clouds that is running right in between with clearer skies up to the north. So right on there, right along that path, we're getting these little upper air disturbances that are moving on through, and that will occasionally trigger off some showers and thunderstorms. But these disturbances are actually quite weak, relatively speaking. They don't create widespread activity, and I'm thinking that for the most part, today's activity will be at worst scattered in some small clusters that could develop late this afternoon and this evening. I really think the vast majority of the area is going to see very little in the way of shower and thunderstorm activity today. And also for tomorrow, for Thursday, the 4th of July, you're going to probably have to just be well inland. Figure if you draw a line somewhere along the New Jersey-Pennsylvania border, perhaps from here west, we may see some scattered activity. Well, but again, I want to emphasize scattered. I'm not expecting widespread uh, thunderstorms at all. And if you're east of here, of that red line I've drawn, you're probably going to be in no worse than partly sunny skies all day, along with a minimal to almost no chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Or even if one does pop up, it should be isolated and it should come and go relatively quickly. So I think in all we're in very good shape. So let's take you through the next uh, 5 days with regards to temperatures. It's pretty simple. For today, we're talking upper 80s to low 90s from southern New England down to Maryland and northeastern Virginia. Humidity levels are on the high side, so it is uncomfortable. Then on the 4th of July, with most areas getting sunshine, upper 80s to lower 90s. Might actually be a little lower as you go inland because there might be a little bit more in the way of cloud cover, but still a perfectly okay 4th of July day. If the humidity were down and we had the kind of air masses that we've seen from time to time in the last couple of weeks, I don't. That's probably the only way we would see better weather this time of year. But certainly from the standpoint of summertime and beach weather, if you're at the shore, for example, you're okay. Friday, this is where we start to see an increasing chance for showers and storms, but still in terms of temperatures, you're talking middle to upper 80s. Maybe the hottest spots get close to 90. And I think the reason for this is that there will probably be more thunderstorms around, especially inland, and also more in the way of cloud cover. Much of the time it doesn't rain, but the risk does increase. And I think the risk for thunderstorms will be the highest on Saturday as a cold front, which gets close on Friday, starts to move through here on Saturday. And then behind the front for Sunday and Monday, we've got some nice dry air. Now, it may take a little while for that dry air to get in here on Sunday because the front may temporarily get hung up to the south, but it should eventually win out later in the day. Highs on Sunday from northeastern Virginia to southern New England in the low to mid 80s. And Monday looks like we may have one of these nice, delightful days with most highs between 70 and 75. Most highs between 80 and 85 with cool spots in the 70s. If you look at what the weather models are doing, they're again not showing a whole lot from the standpoint of showers and storms through tomorrow. The storms tomorrow are well inland in Pennsylvania. Then on Friday, you see a bit more going into the evening, but it doesn't go crazy. And then Saturday, this is where we get our cold front on Saturday that will be moving on through here. And that front, the southern part of that front's going to try and get hung up a little bit along the Virginia coast, and that may hold up some clouds on Sunday. That has actually some offshore showers for coastal areas, But eventually the dry air comes down from the north for Monday. We've got this nice high that is going to be sitting up over the Great Lakes. We're going to have a north-northeast flow of dry air. Dew points are going to come down on Monday, and temperatures are going to be just into the 80s. Honestly, can't get much better than that for this time of year. So look, stay safe. Just keep a side eye on the sky as far as thunderstorm activity is concerned. We're not anticipating any severe weather, but of course, anytime a thunderstorm develops, you always have to open the door to the possibility that it could flare up into something strong. But in terms of widespread severe activity for today, tomorrow, and Friday, not anticipating it. Saturday might be a day where we could see perhaps a more organized, strong to severe thunderstorm threat. And we'll get into that in the coming days. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. Travel safely. And we'll see you on the 4th of July on Weather in 5.